Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, and we will begin with this option. After that, simply tap on the contact you'd like to block, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to block it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that those numbers are blocked and you will not receive anything. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So the blacklist requires entering first of all the settings, so it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general list we have to tap on blocked numbers, and here we've got our blacklist. Those numbers are the numbers from our contact list which we've just blocked. So as you can see, the first option also works. And here we can add a number manually, so just tap on add a number and we can enter the number here, tap on block, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. What's more, here you've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically thanks to this option your device can block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.